Mar Makini ne Sikul makosa ni koro ne otelo gwenge ko mag Nyanza kod bende Imbo mar Kenya. Sama bende koro nyako ma iluongo ni Momanyi Ashley ne owuok kano kaka ng'ano ndo mane oyudo maksi mala ahinya kane gin 427 e piny no endo mar higa mar 2021. Ashley ne ntiere koda kamor mang'eny ahinya kendo bende maendi kaka ne onyiso morne kod kwero kamano ne Nyasaye kod jopuonjne mago eko mag skul no endo mar Makini manitie Kisumu.
The results, I was shocked. I knew those were the results that I had worked for, but it still came as a shock. But I am very grateful for the team that has made it possible for me to achieve these marks. If there's one word I really cherish in my heart at this moment, it is thank you. I want to thank myself first for the individual efforts that I put in to make this mark a reality. I am so proud of myself, and I'd like to congratulate all other candidates who have made possible to work to their targets. I also want to thank the staff, the Makini staff, especially our teachers who have worked hand in hand with us. It has been a long journey, but at long last we've made it, and I really want to thank them very much. I also want to remember my parents. They have been so kind and very resourceful. They have worked with me through this journey. It has been long and rough, but in the long run we have made it through. We have taken the cup home, and we are very proud of ourselves as a family. We also want to remember those other people who have made our dreams a success. I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I pray that all of you may everything